Dear students, welcome to our class on eddies and turbulence. Eddies and EDDIES, eddies and turbulence, TURBULENC, turbulence. Now, what exactly is it? Now, the molecules of a homogeneous gas, have fixed size regardless of their position in the gas. Molecules have fixed size regardless of their position, whereas eddies are not fixed in size. Number one, molecules, again, what is the second characteristic of the molecules? Molecules can change the direction and exchange momentum in discrete instances collision, in discrete instantaneous collisions, okay? Whereas eddies exchange the properties by mixing. Eddies mixing. Molecules instantaneous collisions. Molecules collisions. Eddies mixing. Eddies mixing. Okay? Molecules collisions. Now, third, very, very important. If we assume that eddies are like packets of air, okay, then in turbulent atmosphere, eddies in the turbulent atmosphere, there are packets of air known as eddies. Turbulent atmosphere has always eddies, okay. Now, which are randomly moving and mixing. Eddies means mixing, molecules means collisions. So that's how they exchange. Now, another important thing is the eddies lead an independent existence. Eddies lead an independent existence because they are the packets. Before being absorbed back into the atmosphere or mass flow of the atmosphere, usually at a different level, at a certain level, from the ground, they get mixed, not at the same place. Eddies get mixed at the, eddies means mixing. Molecules means collisions. That's what. Now, very interesting is, nearly all natural motions of air are turbulent from any system. If you put a fan, turbulent. Okay? If you just go outside your classroom and see a tree moving, turbulent. Now, and it is on turbulence that the mixing of the turbulence depends. It is on the turbulence that is a mixing depends. Now, air moving over the ground experiences friction. Air, okay? Air, this is the air. It experiences friction. The forces moving the air, and the retarding frictional forces, air frictional forces to driving force. Now, what happens is, here the frictional force is there for everything, drag force is there. When in A, the force on the air molecules, the driving force on the air molecules is less. As the air force increases, it becomes like this. Then it becomes like this. Finally, an eddy is formed. This is how a driving force, frictional force in between air is converted into eddies. So, eddy formation. Now, last one. What is this? Several times I have explained to you. Again, because we are discussing eddies and turbulence, we should know. This is a bare ground, this is a moving plate, wind velocity. So, laminar motion of the air. Near the ground, the speed is less. As we go, okay, moving plate, the speed is high. This is what I would like to share with you. So, thanking you very much for your patience.